What is Pegasus spyware and how did it target Indians on WhatsApp? At least 24 Indian academics, lawyers, Dalit activists and journalists were targeted for surveillance for 2 weeks until May 2019 on WhatsApp. Israeli cybersecurity firm NSO's technology, Pegasus, sent exploit links to people to penetrate their phone's security without their knowledge. Once installed, Pegasus could extract users' private data, passwords, texts, and even voice calls. Xiaomi sells 12 million devices in 1 month during festive sales. Xiaomi announced that it sold over 12 million devices during the festive sales between September 28 and October 29, including smartphones, Mi TVs, Mi ecosystem and accessories. This translates to a 40% YoY growth as compared to last year's festive sales of Xiaomi. Xiaomi sold 8.5 million smartphones, out of which Redmi Note 7 series emerged as the best-selling series. China debuts world's largest 5G mobile phone network. China's 3 state-owned wireless carriers debuted 5G mobile phone services Thursday, making it the world's largest 5G mobile phone network. China Mobile Ltd, the country's largest carrier, unveiled its network in 50 cities including Beijing, Shanghai and Shenzhen. Rivals China Telecom Corporation Limited and China Unicom, Hong Kong Limited also introduced their 5G services. I wrote to WhatsApp in March. Got no response. Spyware attack victim Nagpur-based lawyer Nihal Singh Ratted, representing Bhima Koregaon, accused Surendra Gadling, said he wrote to WhatsApp in March 2019 after receiving suspicious WhatsApp video calls, but received no response. He said he received video calls from unknown international numbers starting with +31 and +45 in 2017 as well as 2019. WhatsApp today confirmed that Indians were targeted by Pegasus spyware. Government asks WhatsApp what it is doing to protect Indians. Privacy Union IT Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad on Thursday said that the central government has asked WhatsApp about the steps being taken to safeguard the privacy of millions of Indian citizens. This comes after WhatsApp revealed that several Indian journalists and human rights activists are the targets of surveillance by an Israel-based firm this year. Notably, around 1,400 users were spied on worldwide.